If you want to enable or disable quick share on OPPO Find X9, the quickest way to do so is by going to Control Center or Quick Settings, and there is a chance that you will find quick share button somewhere over here in this Control Center section. So you can just tap over here in order to turn it on or off. You might need to set it up first, so in that case you want to press continue, and we need to turn on Bluetooth in order to be able to use quick share. There we go, press OK. And now you should be able to, for example, receive the data. But besides that, you can press and hold your finger on quick share over here, and you should open these settings, and we have who can share with you. So you want to make sure that you are visible to nearby devices, and you might want to switch from your devices to contacts or to everyone, and depending if you have the other device saved in contacts. But just to be sure, you can set it to everyone or everyone for 10 minutes. In case you don't have the quick share button in here, you can tap on this pen icon in the top right corner, then press this plus button, and then look for quick share among these connection options. Also, what you can also do in order to find quick share is go to settings, scroll all the way down, and open Google. Now over here we can try to find it in recommended. Over here I have it in here, or you can go to all services and find quick share in here. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.